having a good day. I'm coming today to do the draw for my challenge that I just had, and I want to thank everybody who participated. I truly appreciate it. It was a lot of fun. I got a lot of really amazing trims and fabrics, and so yes, I'll have something to add to my stash. So I really appreciate those who entered. So let's get going. So here's the in here. Let's just go ahead and do a quick draw. Let's pick that one. Laura, you're the winner. So Laura, she does have a YouTube channel. She hasn't done videos much yet, but she goes as Laura Loves Craft, and I will put her link below, but here's her name as well. She was number 4. So thank you so much, Laura. It was so much fun. Thank you for everyone for, like I said, participating. I may do another challenge maybe in a year or so. We'll see. But this was last minute and it was fun, and thank you again for all who participated. I really want to thank you all, and thank you to all my new subs. I really appreciate each and every one of you. So yeah, so that's about it. Lots of good things coming up for 2020, so I can't wait. Anyways, everybody have a good day. Bye bye.